The footsies on the bar go round and round, up and down to the pound. I'm making some jokes. Okay. I forgot to talk about my beans more. I added ginger, a dash of my extract in there. I wasn't going to make a video. I was just going to cook. And I figured, hey, I'm on a roll here. I'm making beans. Next on the horizon, I'll be adding to this stuff to these beans with a little more al dente, which is Italian for soft like my head. Smells really good, but I'm going to be adding this later because it's not going to be spectacular. But I'm adding this. The Prego. Oh, I also added some my lime chili powder. Already, it's in there. Can't remember what else. I think some garlic maybe. I don't even remember. I don't get more will go in. And this. Now, yeah. It's going in there. It's not going to be a chili. It's going to be a seasoning. So you get to do both. If you're me. So you can work around this shit. Anyway, this is going to take forever, and I'll probably not be up to making more videos. So that's why I let you know what's going on with these.